Hi guys, and welcome back to Miss Monkey. I know it is super early in the morning. It is 7:22 right now. On a Tuesday, I'm getting ready for school, but I had some extra time over, so I thought I would play some Subway Surfers. And yeah, I hope all of you guys subscribed to Dr. Proctor. Uh, he actually posts very cool videos. I love watching them. And I'm pretty sure that this weekend, me and him, it's either gonna be Thanksgiving or this weekend. We are going to do a collab. I don't know if it's a collide or a collab. I'm pretty sure it's a collab. I'm gonna do a collab, and he's going to be on my show, and I'm gonna be on his. I know I was on his show once before, so yeah. And I may just go silent in this because like I'm focusing, but it kind of like really feels weird. Cause like, I mean, I know people are there, but it just feels weird. And I did not have a good grip this morning. I am usually really good at this. I know Brayden, Dr. Proctor just posted a video. It's like my Clash of Clan life. And he showed you guys his base and all of that. So that should be good. You know what I mean? And like, don't mind my voice, it's just very scratchy. Like I said, I just woke up and getting ready for school. So yeah. Oh no, of course I didn't. Hey, I got better than I got last time. I think I can. Yes. Yeah, I got a bronze. I know at one point I was at a silver and don't know what happened to that. So yeah, there we go again, just me being quiet. No, I mean, I don't really know what else to like say or anything, but as you guys all like know, hopefully you know, I posted my first video yesterday, and yeah, this is my second video, and and after this, I will go draw something with you guys. It's an app. So next time I die, okay, I'm sorry, I don't die, I get caught. But I love getting on the roof. I don't know why, it's just fun. What the heck is he on the roof? Oh, hey. Oh my god, I'm doing really bad today. I'm sorry, guys. Oh, darn it, I tried. You guys all saw me try. going to go to recolor. And yeah. I'm going to wait until I find a picture. Hi guys, I'm back. And I was looking and I found this one. So I think it's like it's an apple. So I'm gonna actually start coloring it. So I like recolor because like you can pick what picture you want. So yeah. Alright. Oh, I do not want to color that brown. And you can also like zoom in on it, so it's really cool too. So
what?
Sorry guys. Like
Sorry guys, Dorky foster dad stepped in. Oh.
Okay then, yeah.
Are you deleting me?
Probably.
But I wanted to be a part of your Facegram.
It's not a Facegram.
InstaChat Snapbook
It's called
thing.
YouTube.
Is that on the Facegram or the InstaChat or the SnapTube?
Oh, I'm moving that.
See, I can pretend like I'm older than I am.
Oh, whatever you say.
Alright, let's go, sweetie.
I'm gonna walk while like I'm basically recording. Yeah, like I told you guys, I am getting ready for school, so yeah.
Getting ready.
I am ready for school. Fine, is that better? So I'm going to wait until we get into the car. 1, 2, 3. Alright, I'm back and I'm literally almost done with this one.
I'm front. Hi.
I will show you guys like the harder ones, but like this one, I don't really like this one because it's like a messy one. Come on.
Oh, sorry. I thought you have a little concern and care for me. I'm not making it up. My elbow actually hurts.
Do you need coconut to give it a kiss?
No.
Coconut left.
I think I need ibuprofen.
Then take ibuprofen. Alright, yeah, I'm done with that. So I'm gonna show you. Okay, never mind. I guess it already went to. So yeah, you see, there's these other ones. I'll show you guys the other ones I've done though, but these are like the harder ones. But I don't know. I just chose an easy one. So I'll go here, and this is the one I literally just like did. So I don't really like that. This one I did yesterday, I believe. Yeah, I did that one yesterday. And this one is one of my personal favorites. I like it, so. And then I like this one, because, I don't know. My favorite color is blue. It's like, I make everything blue. Then this one. This one wasn't that hard. You see, like, the flowers in the back? I just colored them black because I didn't want, like, little flowers. I just wanted the girl or not. I don't really think this is my best work. I tried to, like, fade it into yellow, into green, and then blue, but it really didn't work that well, so.
Sorry, I was coughing in the background of your video.
This is another one. I like this one a lot, so. And, like, in most of them, yeah, I know I have a lot of, like, lip and lip bites here, so. Stop.
I like this.
You know, if you do that, you can make Dakota cringe.
Make her crap.
Cringe.
Cringe. That's a completely different word. With completely different meaning.
So, like, this one, I had to go in and, like, zoom in and color every single different strand.
What about like this?
Making her cringe. I really like this one. This is one of my favorites. And then, whoa. And then I like this one too. So this is like my first one I did. So I don't know what's going on with the purple and blue hair over here. I just like purple and blue. So I really didn't do that much. So you see, I got no followers, no publish. I'm not following anybody. Nobody likes mine. So I'm bloated.
I always like yours, sweetie.
Yeah.
I mean, I haven't officially clicked on anything, but like, I like the stuff I do.
Why are we going here? You said we don't have to go in here.
You don't have to go in here, and I never said anything about not coming here.
Yeah, you did. You
I said we didn't have to stop for gas. I want caffeine. I have to drive for an hour after I drop you off.
Good. Ugh, don't mind him, guys. So, yeah, that's basically all I have here. And this is my brother. Oh, I have an idiot test. You got, like, I want to play that. Oh, yeah, and I guess I'm playing it right now. I cannot get this, like, past this one. It's confusing. So, a new game. No, not a new game. Okay. Not mean to have a new game. That sucks now. Alright. Oh, whoa. New game. Big button. How many birthdays does the average man have? 1. What is the smallest? Which is the smallest? 75. Find the Y. You have free check mark. Click the answer. These are like actually kind of easy. How many letters is in this sentence? 1. Answers the answer. Whoa. Hey yo, bro. Click the answer. There's the red square. 1. Oh, yay. It's this one, Avi.
Kaylee, where's your coat?
At the house, I brought this one. Okay, so I'm gonna say.
Do you need to delete the part where I said your real name?
Nope.
It's your superhero secret identity.
Okay, can we be quiet now? Why the heck is this not like that? I don't care anymore.
Alright, I'm gonna play the radio.
Okay, guys, if it's some terrible music, it's not my fault. Oh, yeah, that's
They
terrible.
claim die. Oh, is this her talking still, right?
That's not even music.
All these.
Alright, guys, I think that's all for today. Bye, guys. I'll see you guys next time.